Suno has released a new feature that brings more consistency to your AI-powered creations, and I'm going to show you how it works. Suno's latest feature is called Personas. Imagine you've created a song that you love, and the vocals sound amazing, the musical style is just right, and the overall vibe is perfect. Wouldn't it be great to create new songs that capture the same essence as the ones you've already crafted in Suno? That's exactly what Personas lets you do. Let me walk you through how to use this new feature. To start, here's a sample of a song I created that has a Sly and the Family Stone feel to it.
Where the planet's down, there's a rhythm so funky it turns the world around. We're talking about the P-Funk, the mothership connection, where the bassline's so thick it demands your full attention. Oh, 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 the funkadelic way, we're gonna funk you up in the cosmic play. From the mothership to your soul, we're gonna take you high with the P-Funk groove. We're gonna touch Sister Moon, she's dancing, she's got that funk in her sway. For the sun, he's jamming.
To create a persona, click the three dots next to the song, hover over Create, and you'll see a Make Persona button, which is available to Pro and Premier subscribers. Click on it. You can name the persona. You can upload a custom image or just type in what you want Suno to create as the album art. You can add in a description. It defaults to allowing the persona to be public, but if that's not something you want to do, turn it off. Click the Save button. Here's how to use your newly created persona in a song. If you scroll down, there's now a persona section. And if you click on the triangle, now I've created a number of personas that I'm experimenting with, so for you, you would only see the one that you've just created. But if you select it, it now automatically inputs the style of the music, and all you have to do is just go ahead and click Create. Here's another song that I created with the funk persona.
Rush down lanes like rivers flow. Chaos rules the world below. Dreams above and stars they hide, chasing hope in evening tide.
The new song retains the sound and feel. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing to my channel so you won't miss out on future content. And if you're interested in exploring more creative AI tools, check out these videos popping up right now.